Welcome back to Primetime News. The Trees for Peace initiative by the Violence Prevention Alliance and the Ministry of Education is being hailed as a beacon of change by this year's urban winners, Sandy Bay Primary School. The school walked away with a trophy and cash prize as their garden is said to have wowed the judges. Here's Kimberly Petty with our Ray of Hope.
This is the Peace Garden that is situated at the entrance of the Sandy Bay Primary School in Hanover. The space is said to help the children resolve their issues in a more amicable manner. The VPA's Trees for Peace initiative aims at fostering peace-building ideals in schools, as it strongly believes that through the planting of trees, students can learn to live in a more harmonious way. TVJ News spoke to one student who expressed what it's like being in the garden.
I've been enjoying it because me and my friends can play here whenever we want, and it gives us peace when we feel angry.
More than 120 schools across Jamaica registered for the contest. They were recently awarded for their hard work. Avondale Preparatory and Kindergarten won for the early childhood level, while New Forest High in Manchester won at the high school level, and Merlin Otti High walked away with the Resilience Award. The announcement of the urban school winner was met with elation from Principal Eugenie Simpson.
Well, the students really enjoy this space. It's not only about swinging or all of that, because we actually teach them, what to do in this space. And they have been there nurturing the plants before we plant them. Each class got a plant to nurture. So they learn from that how to be considerate of others, how to nurture each other. We noticed too that some students who don't really like to tell people things, they go and use the expression wall.
She said the school does not have an issue with violence.
But what we noticed, children learn more how to resolve their issues. They have learned that now. They learn how to talk it out or to go and express themselves on the wall, and they're more nurturing and caring of each other.
The initiative started in 2021 during COVID-19. Dr. Elizabeth Ward is the chair of the Violence Prevention Alliance.
What we do is aim to build peace and to reduce violence in our society, and especially what affects our children and our youth. And we find that we can use our programs, especially when the programs have evidence that show that it works.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.